Oh, that took forever. That was annoying. Hold up, look. Look what I think I got everything set up, but basically OBS is complete trash. Uh, at least for Mac, it's just complete trash. Um, the mouse point, I figured out what the problem was. My mouse pointer, when I'm in the software, it's offset. So like where my mouse is, it's actually like 2 inches to the left and 2 inches up, and that's where the software is like registering my actual mouse. That's why I'm having like trouble clicking on anything. Um, so it's terrible. But so I was trying to, so I was trying to delete it, and I was going through a whole bunch of different things. So I was so the first thing I did is I was gonna uninstall OBS to see if maybe there was just like an issue with this plugin I downloaded to blur my screen in the stream. So I just uninstalled OBS, but to do that I have this uh-oh. Uh-oh, what's going on? Why is my stream all of a sudden not working? Why is it not working? And the screen capture is not working either. Is the stream working for you? I have no mouse on here. On my screen, it's showing me that all I have is my screen up, but I'm doing things and nothing is changing. What's the problem now? I thought I had everything fixed. Is the screen changing for you? Do you see the new tab open? With the Solana ad? Or do you see the GitHub page? Okay, so mine is not working for some reason. My screen is showing that nothing is changing, but I'm just gonna trust that it's working. Okay, I will just continue then with my terminal here instead, so I can't see this terminal. Hopefully it's showing the terminal, because on my screen it doesn't even show that I have it up, so at least my stream, like, playback, my stream preview. Is it even going? Let me see. View. I don't know. Well, hopefully that fixes later. Anyway, so I have this on Mac. Enterprise telephone systems, interesting. So if you can see that, hold on, wait, actually, oh yeah, that's fine because it should be blurred. Okay, I have this shell script as an well, I don't know if you use Mac. If you're not familiar with Mac, let me do this. Let me actually, I can unblur this so you can see here. App cleaner. So for Mac users, the way to delete apps on Mac is to go to the applications folder and basically just right click and, well, that's default app, let me see. Right click and move to trash. and then that will just basically trash the application, and that's how you get rid of it. But it also leaves behind all the library files. Okay. It also leaves behind all the library files if you want to delete an app. So what if I do like this? Like there's a lot of files that, not these specific files, but in other places that an app might generate, and it leaves all those behind. So this is kind of like the most popular app for Mac to like delete. Actually, I just downloaded it again so I can open it up. It's called App Cleaner by these guys, free Mac soft. And you can like find some sort of app, and if you click it, let me see if I do like Firefox, it'll find like all these files here related to Firefox, so you can clean up the junk files when you don't want to use an app anymore. But I basically there's a security and privacy and security researcher who basically reverse engineered this app because he couldn't get the founders of these to kind of reply to his messages asking if this app was asking some like security questions about the app, and they wouldn't reply. So he basically reverse engineered this app and created a shell script for it and released it as this. So that's what I've been using. Mac doesn't really have a good way to, doesn't have like a built-in uninstaller for like apps unless the app comes with one, but many times they don't. That's the thing with Mac apps, is a lot of times they don't. Like it's just in here, unless it creates a folder and creates an uninstaller like here for this Adobe one. But most apps, they don't have that. It's just the app. So you, like 95% of the time they don't come with an uninstaller. Or the other way to do it is just you have Brew and use a package manager, which is what I use. I use Homebrew. And then that way you can uninstall stuff there. But still you want some sort of app. So I have this thing, and so I wanted to delete OBS with this. Specify the file path. But it was picking up some files that I didn't want to delete. So then I was doing research, like, is there a better option here? And I actually found, where is it? Is it this? I actually found this Pair Cleaner, which is built off of, it's built off of this app, and also built off of the script from the script that I have from the privacy and security researcher that created the script. It was built from that and this app, and basically built into an app like with a GUI. And I just found this. It's called Pair Cleaner, and it's literally from the same guy. Source available, fair code licensed, based off of App Cleaner and Privacy Guides, which is what I was referencing in his script. And it's a privacy preserving, privacy respecting app cleaner. So I found that, so that's cool. Anyway, this is a big tangent. But then, so finally I was able to delete OBS, reinstall it. All the problems are still there, so it was just, OBS was just terrible. So then I decided to switch to an alternative to OBS, which is Streamlabs. So I downloaded this and tried to get it ready, but basically this one you can't blur the screen like you can on OBS. So basically I had to abandon this, and I just went back to OBS, and I'm just going to deal with the problems, because as long as everything is set up, then hopefully it should be fine. But now I'm having playback problems where I can't see the playback for some reason. So that sucks. And now hold on, maybe I can go, let's see, let me do this actually. Let's go to, it's probably settings. I can fix this because I had to delete and reinstall. So let's see if I can, video. Well, let me fix the audio first because none of the audio is coming through for this here. And apply. That should fix. But it's not. Why not? Anyway, so I like that app uninstaller, but this Streamlabs didn't work because you can't blur stuff. So I'm back to OBS, and now I'm having issues with OBS again. It's just it's complete crap. It's absolute complete crap on Mac. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me see. Audio. Default desktop 2 disabled. Apply. Okay. No, it's still not working. Why is it not working? Let me do settings on here. Nope, that's not doing anything. What the? Okay, so it updated. Something updated on my screen here. Oh, it's working. Okay. And the audio is working too. Okay. I didn't even really do anything, but it's working. Cool. Let me go back to this and turn off this. Yes. Okay. I've got the music playing. And now, okay, now this is updating. Okay, and now let's see if I turn on the blur. Nice. Uh-oh. The blur is now not updating. Okay, so hold on. Now I have to try to somehow get this to update. Properties. Okay, I think it updated. Oh, there's a restart capture. Okay. Well, anyway, cancel. Nice. Okay, cool. Hold on, let me open up. Let's see, what is this? Oh, that's the blur plugin. OBS, pair cleaner. What is this? Okay, that's the thing again. But OBS is good with like the features, at least open source software and everything, and specifically this blur thing. So I can go to my stream now. I didn't even know I had this channel. Okay, that's wrong account. Let's see. How do I even? Okay. Like the features at least. Oh. Okay, let me see how that stream looks like when I'm doing a bunch of things. What is this? Oh, okay. And then let's say I want to bring over terminal here. Okay, this stream's got a little bit of a delay, but Cool. I did not think I'd be able to like do this, but that actually works perfectly. And it's even moving like the right window everywhere to be blurred. That's awesome. Cool. That's awesome. Okay, so that goes over there. Is that enough blur though? Hold on, let me, let's see, settings, quality, 4K. Yeah, you can't really read any. That blur's decent, like you can't read what's going on. So that's good actually. Nice. So that means I can open up all of this and none of it can be read. Okay, that's awesome. Wait, so I can stream now. Dang. I stopped streaming for like a month. Wait, how long was it? For sure, like most of all of December, basically. Or half of December? When was the last stream? Live. Like a month ago. Cool. But at least now I fixed it so I can stream. Oh, this is awesome. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And if I do another window, does it blur that one too? Oh, it blurs that one too. That's awesome. And if I ever want to unblur something, I can just... Bam. Awesome. Oh, that's sweet. Alright, now time to give an update as to what's been going on. Alright, so the last class I worked on, I passed it in December. And then during the holidays, I was focusing on basically try hack me advent of code. So I completed the whole thing, the whole advent of code. I wanted to stream that, but I was not at home, not at my setup here. So I was with family working on that because my sister visited, so I was hanging out with them while working on advent of code basically. So that's why I couldn't stream it, but I wanted to stream it. It would be good. And then I came back and started my next class. Cool. So we got it fixed. But I didn't eat dinner. Holy crap, 8 o'clock. I skipped dinner. It was like 6 o'clock and I was trying to fix the stream and now I skipped dinner because of that. So I feel like I want to eat something. So does this still work? This still works. So I can delete this scene altogether. Goodbye. That's cool. That's perfect. Did I finish reading this? I did not. I literally just stopped in the middle of reading this. Hold on, let me do filters on this. effect mask? No, I don't want any. Uh-oh. How come it's not blurring now? Did I turn? Oh, I turned it off somehow. Okay, now it's on. I think that should be enough blur. think here. I'm just gonna start here. I think I was further than that. Actually, this is bogus, bro. I can't read. While eating, I'm just gonna watch the videos and then read. Dang, it's only 5 minutes long.
Navigating the world of virtualization involves understanding the intricacies of hyper.
Is that too loud, bro? Should I turn this down to like -10?
Hypervisors and the critical importance of securing virtual machines. In this topic, we're going to dive into the distinction between Type 1 and Type 2 hypervisors, and we'll emphasize their security implications and best practices for ensuring the integrity of virtualized environments. So let's start with Type 1 hypervisors. Understanding the fundamental characteristics of Type 1 hypervisors.
Hold up. I have to see if that's too loud or not.
Characteristics of Type 1 hypervisor.
Hold up.
Navigating the world of virtualization involves understanding the intricacies of hyper.
Is that too loud, bro? I don't know if it's too loud, but
Is super important for optimizing virtualized systems performance and stability. Type 1 hypervisors operate directly on the hardware, functioning as a foundational layer for virtualization. In fact, they're often referred to as bare metal. So these hypervisors provide a direct interface with the existing hardware on the host. They eliminate the need for underlying operating systems. So leveraging the direct access to hardware resources translates into superior performance for Type 1 hypervisors, making them ideal for resource-intensive applications that still need to run on a virtualized environment. The inherent simplicity of Type 1 hypervisors contributes to enhanced stability, which is of course a crucial factor in mission-critical environments. Next, let's explore Type 2 hypervisors and how they're different in an approach to virtualization. In fact, they cater to scenarios where performance demands are a little bit less stringent. Type 2 hypervisors function as applications within an existing operating system, introducing an additional layer between the hardware and the actual virtual machines. And due to their resilience on the host operating system, Type 2 hypervisors can encounter performance issues that can therefore impact the efficiency of the hosted virtual machines. Now, while lacking the performance edge of Type 1, Type 2 hypervisors are suitable for less resource-demanding scenarios, which makes them pretty accessible for modest use. Ensuring the security of hypervisors is of course foundational for the integrity of your entire virtualized environment. So let's consider some key practices that can help you to fortify the hypervisor layer. Opting for Type 1 hypervisors enhances security by eliminating the vulnerabilities that are introduced by additional layers, which aligns with best practice approaches. Maintaining a minimalistic environment by refraining from unnecessary software installations also reduces the attack surface and strengthens your overall security. Regular updates to the hypervisor software are super critical for patching vulnerabilities and ensuring that security measures are always up to date. And physical security measures, like housing the hardware in a secure, locked room, add an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access, which is good for everyone involved. Another key practice is simply network isolation. Network isolation minimizes the potential for unauthorized access and creates a more controlled and secure virtualization environment. Implementing clustering techniques enhances reliability and availability, which contributes to a resilient hypervisor infrastructure. And encryption of virtual machines adds yet another layer of protection and safeguards sensitive data and prevents unauthorized tampering of the virtual machine and the data that it contains. And finally, the security of virtual machines is, of course, a critical aspect of comprehensive virtualization strategies. So let's dig into the key practices that can be used to fortify the security of individual virtualized instances. First, regular updates to virtual machines help to make sure that security patches are applied, address vulnerabilities, and maintain a robust security posture overall. Minimizing unnecessary software and updates reduces potential attack vectors, enhancing the overall security of your virtual machines. Implementing firewalls and regular malware scans adds another proactive defense mechanism to your virtual machines, and it prevents and detects potential security threats. Of course, regular backups are super important for data recovery and continuity, and they help to make sure that your virtual machines can be restored in the event of a security incident. And lastly, monitoring and managing virtual machine and network resources contribute to overall security by preventing resource abuse and unauthorized access. Ultimately, understanding the nuances between Type 1 and Type 2 hypervisors and implementing robust security measures for both the hypervisor layer and the virtual machines are pivotal for a resilient and secure virtualized environment. Understanding all this information will equip individuals with insights into optimizing performance and fortifying the security of their virtualized systems, which ensure a reliable foundation for diverse computing needs.
Well, why is my mic so loud? Is that just ambient noise? Alright, well, there's only one video for this section. So, I might be able to answer these questions. Let me see. That's easy. That's boom. Number 2. User installs virtualization software on their existing operating system. Which type of hypervisor are they using? On an OS, that's a type 2. Easy. Oh, that's it? So I'll finish reading later. What's next here? More reading. This one's got some videos. Okay, so I'll watch these and then read.
Imagine a world where you can access powerful computing resources anytime, anywhere, without the need for expensive hardware or complex setups. Welcome to the cloud revolution. In this video, discover how cloud computing has become a game changer for businesses and individuals alike. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of various computing services over the internet. These services encompass storage, processing power, databases, networking, software, and more. This means that instead of owning and maintaining physical data centers and servers, organizations rent access to these resources through cloud service providers. This on-demand model offers unparalleled flexibility and efficiency. Think about streaming services like Netflix. Instead of owning DVDs or Blu-rays, you stream content directly from the internet. In a similar vein, cloud computing allows businesses to access the necessary computing resources without owning the actual hardware. Cloud computing has transformed the way businesses function. Companies can now concentrate on their core activities rather than getting bogged down with IT infrastructure concerns. For instance, today's startups can expand rapidly without worrying about server capacity. Large corporations can innovate swiftly and respond to market dynamics with greater agility. Furthermore, the cloud supports remote work, facilitating seamless collaboration across different locations. During the COVID-19 pandemic, many organizations relied on cloud services for remote work and business continuity. One significant advantage of cloud computing is the instant availability of resources. Whether additional storage is required for growing data or more processing power for complex computations, cloud services deliver these needs instantly. This negates the need for significant upfront investments in hardware, enabling businesses to pay only for what they use. For example, a gaming platform launching a new online title can quickly scale server capacity to accommodate a surge in active players, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted gaming experience. Traditional IT infrastructure demands hefty investments in hardware, software, and maintenance. With cloud computing, this model shifts to a pay-as-you-go approach, eliminating large upfront expenditures. Companies can rent virtual machines instead of purchasing costly servers, which saves money and mitigates the risk of over-provisioning or underutilizing resources. Additionally, cloud providers offer managed services that handle maintenance and updates, reducing the burden on internal IT teams. Startups, in particular, benefit by minimizing initial capital expenses and allocating resources more effectively toward growth and innovation. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, agility is paramount. Cloud computing equips organizations with the ability to swiftly adjust to market conditions and customer demands. For instance, a media company broadcasting a live event can dynamically scale its infrastructure to handle increased viewership without latency issues. This level of agility fosters innovation, quicker product launches, and a competitive edge in the market. Moreover, cloud services often include advanced analytics and machine learning capabilities, enabling businesses to extract valuable insights from their data and make swift, informed decisions. In this video, we've unraveled the essence of what cloud computing is and its paramount importance in modern-day operations. Moving forward, we'll journey through the history and evolution of cloud computing, tracing its transformation from early models to present-day advancements.
All right. Next one. Bro, these are like useless, bro. Cloud value proposition? That was literally covered in the first video.
In this video, we'll provide an overview of the key business benefits of cloud computing to help better understand the value proposition and the impact it can have on an organization. Now, of course, what we'll cover here does not represent every benefit, and any given benefit may not be relevant to your business. But that said, to begin, cloud computing allows your organization to manage resources entirely online. So as long as there is internet access, anything in the cloud can be accessed from anywhere, at any time, and on any device. This level of flexibility means that not only can day-to-day management of resources happen anywhere, anytime, but any issues that might arise can be addressed just as easily. So nothing needs to be spent on potentially costly VPN or other remote access solutions that might be present in an on-premises environment. And because all physical infrastructure is entirely owned, managed, and maintained by the cloud services provider, the cost of cloud computing can in some cases be significantly lower than on-premises solutions, which clearly would benefit any organization. And most major cloud services providers have tremendous resources at their disposal, and their business model relies on being able to provide secure services to their customers. So while in some cases there may still be a perception that the cloud isn't as secure as an on-premises environment, this simply isn't the case. Due to their robust infrastructure, the level of resources and expertise, and simply the demands of their customers, cloud computing can in many cases be more secure than on-premises environments. Again, because the physical infrastructure is already in place, solutions that need to be built can begin literally as soon as you have an active subscription. All resources and services are accessed through a centralized web interface, and work can begin at a moment's notice, offering customers exceptional flexibility with respect to the solutions they need. Not only can you begin to implement and configure those solutions immediately, they can be reconfigured or decommissioned at any time. Additionally, from the perspective of any given customer, the resources available are effectively unlimited. You can continue to add resources to any given solution and just keep building more and more solutions. Most service providers offer hundreds, if not thousands, of varying services, applications, appliances, and other physical resources, and they simply aren't going to run out of anything, so your organization can grow at any pace. Such a wide array of services also results in a level of agility that is difficult, if not impossible, to attain in an on-premises environment. Organizations can respond to changing conditions immediately with an appropriate solution without ever having to wait for a purchase to arrive, then be readied for implementation. Plus, whatever solutions are implemented can scale in any direction at any time, and in many cases automatically in response to changing demands on the workload. And finally, almost all services and resources in the cloud are inherently fault-tolerant with redundancy implemented at many levels, which translates into the ability of an organization to rapidly and fully recover from almost any type of disaster. So clearly these and many other benefits of the cloud can represent a significant value proposition to many organizations. But as always, the specific benefits to any single organization will depend on the circumstances. So it's important to consider these and other characteristics carefully to ensure that they will in fact be beneficial to you. while cloud computing offers many benefits, like any type of technology, there can also be risks and challenges associated with a move to the cloud. So in this video, we'll take a look at some of the more common, beginning with the issue of security and privacy. Now, to quickly clarify, any reputable cloud services provider will be able to offer the security services necessary to ensure that your data and resources are as secure as possible. But there is an inherent and ever-present risk associated with cloud services, particularly with respect to data, in that if your data is stored in the cloud, there is no way for you to know exactly where it actually resides. This fact alone can sometimes represent a complete barrier to using the cloud for some organizations, and at least a significant obstacle for others. In addition, most every cloud subscription will have a single account that has administrative level access to the entire subscription. If compromised, that account could be used to gain full access to every resource you have in the cloud. So the use of these accounts needs to be tightly controlled, monitored, and kept as secure as possible in terms of protecting the credentials. Again, none of this is to suggest that cloud resources can't be adequately secured. For some, the cloud actually represents better security, but it will always depend on the situation. The migration itself can also present significant challenges. Existing or legacy applications and services may not be fully supported in the cloud, and even if they are, the move can be very time-consuming and there could be a significant learning curve to deal with while both technical and standard users adapt to the new methods and implementations. For organizations who are currently using on-premises solutions and undertaking a cloud migration, as mentioned, the process itself can be lengthy. So during that time, organizations must manage and maintain both platforms, which can lead to inconsistencies in data or configuration, as well as lead to confusion for users with respect to which services should be used in which circumstances. And even if solutions are fully and successfully migrated, there is an inherent loss of control with cloud-based services because no physical infrastructure is ever exposed to the customer, which in some cases can result in not being able to identify anomalies or abnormalities that might indicate an impending issue. Then, if and or when an issue does arise, responses at the physical level are entirely up to the provider, leading to situations where your own technical teams aren't sure where or even how to begin. Rather than being able to respond on their own, they now have to submit trouble tickets to a separate technical team or a help desk. While the services and resources available in the cloud are extensive to say the least, there is no guarantee that any given existing or legacy application or service will be compatible with what's available in the cloud, which could result in having to redesign an entirely new solution from scratch, which could then be costly and time-consuming, and there can also be compliance issues whereby laws, regulations, or even just your own internal policies and procedures may be violated by placing certain types of data in the cloud. For example, customer financial data or health records usually have to meet various standards in terms of how they're stored and accessed. So organizations need to ensure that any given provider is compliant with those regulations to ensure that your organization isn't placed at risk by failing to observe those requirements. Even for experienced technical staff, cloud-based applications and services simply aren't managed in the same manner as on-premises solutions due to the complete lack of any physical infrastructure. So in many cases, there can still be a lack of technical expertise with respect to managing solutions in the cloud, which can in turn result in a steep learning curve requiring a significant time commitment to training. And poor access controls in terms of security credentials, inactive users remaining signed in, password reuse, and simply a basic lack of familiarity with how services should be used can create additional security risks even for resources that have been successfully implemented. And while cloud service providers offer a very high level of uptime for their own services, because all resources are accessed over the internet, local internet outages that affect your own organization can render your entire cloud infrastructure unreachable. And depending on the services that might already be in place within the on-premises environment, and those that need to be implemented in the cloud, there may be interoperability issues whereby the services at each location simply don't work together, which can lead to significant delays in migrating solutions to the cloud. Lastly, while there usually aren't any contractual obligations with cloud service providers, any given solution may only be available through a particular service or vendor, which can effectively result in a vendor lock-in scenario. And if you're developing your own services and applications in the cloud, custom application programming interfaces may not be adequately secured, which can present an entry point for intruders to gain access to your private resources and confidential data. So while the cloud certainly offers many benefits to many organizations, cloud services still present many risks and challenges as well that need to be properly assessed and addressed before any cloud migration is actually undertaken.
Alright, so Perfect timing. I just finished eating too. Was that the last one? Yeah, that was the last one. I'm gonna go back to reading the previous one, this one. Honestly, programming a hypervisor must be absolutely insanely complex, bro. Imagine managing those read and write operations with all those disks and whatever, bro. That is crazy. It's actually pretty good to learn about the different kinds of hypervisor softwares that they have. Well, I'm more interested in learning about some Type 2 ones for my personal use, but anyway. Oh, okay, so VMware was the first one to create commercially available x86 virtualization solution. Workstation 1.0. For Windows or Linux desktops. Okay, and then they released ESX, which was a Type 1 hypervisor, and GSX, a Type 2 hypervisor. ESX still around today, and is still being enhanced and updated. GSX was renamed to VMware Server, but is no longer available. Yeah, I gotta do that for copyright reasons. 5-man comms, for real, bruh. I don't know if I can do that. But we back. I had to figure out how to blur my screen so that way I don't share my school stuff, because technically that's against the policy. So, and I'm not trying to get kicked out if anyone tries to cancel me. So I had to blur it out, but I figured it out. So now it's pretty legit. Like, it's pretty cool. Like, I can even change the size of the window, and like the blur will follow. So it's pretty cool. And then if I open up a new window, it'll blur that one too. Let me just click a new tab, and I can even, like, if I want to show my screen, then I could also turn the blur off. That way I could show. That's unreal, huh? Unreal. Unreal. That's called legit. That's called legit. Nah, I gotta read this stuff in I just gotta keep going. Dang, wait, maybe I could finish this. Depends how much reading this is. I don't know. Wait, well, this model is one of the largest differences between VMware and many of the other solutions. Wait, so hold on. The VM kernel contains the necessary processes to support virtual machines and manage the hardware and availability resources. Infrastructure services such as timekeeping and logging. Integrations with VMware's management tools and other authorized third-party modules such as hardware drivers, hardware monitoring tools also run in the VM kernel. This model is one of the okay, so the VM kernel that can do all of that stuff. What does that look like? This is the VM kernel. I can't show that, but where the huz at? I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you're saying, dude. You gotta speak English. These people coming up with their own language. Where the huz at, bro? What are you saying? Okay, let's see. Okay, so the VM kernel, virtual machine support, resource management, the infrastructure agents, including syslog and NTP. I don't know what that is. Common information model. I don't know what that is. VMware management framework. I don't know what unchained or chained. I don't know what any of that stuff is. Local support console. Let's see. VM. Okay. Agentless hardware monitoring. CLI command. How they go into too much detail. They didn't even tell us what any of that stuff is, bro. That doesn't matter. Being the first to the game has also allowed VMware to develop and mature features. If I finish this section though, not this section, let me see. Let's see, I'll hop on if you guys are still up. I don't know how long y'all are gonna be up. But if I finish doing this lesson for today, then I'll hop on and I'll see what you guys are yapping about. What do you mean 6 a.m. at least? Y'all are always off by like 9 p.m., bro. You guys, as soon as it even gets to like what game night hours, y'all get off. For real. Yeah, that's what I thought. 9:30, 6 minutes ago. 6 minutes ago, for real. For real, he already got off. Don't forget to get tucked in. Oh, Citrix. Oh, that's what the Zen is. It's Citrix. Began as a research project at University of Cambridge. Goal was to create an efficient platform for distributed computing. 2002 made it an open source project. Then ZenSource was founded to bring the Zen hypervisor to market. But the open source project still remained open, as it does to this day. Oh, that's pretty good. Red Hat, Novell, and Sun all added the Zen hypervisor to their offerings. Oracle VM and Amazon Web Services also use the Zen as virtualization framework. Dang, so that's like everyone else, that's like everyone except VMware, like they all using the same thing. 2 years later, Citrix Systems acquired ZenSource. Then announced development for Zen would become a Linux Foundation collaborative project, returning development to the open source community. This one is like, this is gearing up for the Network Plus. This is like a pre-class right before I start the Network Plus. Most of this stuff so far has just been a review of the A+, and this other InfoSec class I already took. So it's like, so far everything's just review. Okay, so this one's got a... Yo, they could not have made this diagram any worse. So the Zen hypervisors here, they've got a domain 0 guest that manages everything for the other guests, whereas this one's got like a VM kernel type of thing going on. Okay. only got 5% of the market? Trash. Microsoft Hyper-V began with Virtual Server in 2005 after it acquired Connectix a few years earlier. It was a Type 2 hypervisor. No, oh, Virtual Server was a Type 2 hypervisor that was discontinued for Hyper-V, which was released 2008. Installable as an installable part of Windows Server operating system. Shows architecture for Hyper-V, hypervisor, VM bus, device drivers, Windows kernel. Okay, that means I don't know any of that kind of stuff. Hyper-V is a Type 1 hypervisor. Wait, the other one was Zen was Type 2? Where did I read it was one of these was Type 2? Oh, the Virtual Server was Type 2. Yeah. Okay. Instead of guests, the virtualized workloads are called partitions. Similar to the Zen model, it requires a special root partition that has direct access to hardware resources. Okay. Microsoft has about 20% of the market, but doesn't have as much feature parity. But they used aggressive licensing and packaging policies to get Hyper-V adoption. It's a strategy that Microsoft has previously used well. Yeah, especially for Teams. They completely destroyed Slack. Hold on, let me go back to the VMware one. Where is it? VMware ESX. You've got 70% of the market. They're the best. Other solutions. Oracle has multiple VMs. Oracle VM is a bare metal hypervisor based on the open source Zen code. They also have another one. In 2009 they acquired Virtual Iron, another Zen-based hypervisor, with the intent to integrate the technology into the existing Oracle VM. Then they acquired Sun Microsystems in 2010, brought with it a number of additional virtualization solutions that Sun had developed or acquired as well, including Solaris-specific zones and the x86-oriented VirtualBox. Okay, I know VirtualBox. It's a popular workbench tool for developers that we'll examine in later chapters. VirtualBox has since been rebranded to Oracle VM VirtualBox. That's still VirtualBox, bro. Oracle has not gained mainstream traction for these, mostly because of their later entry into the market and the variety of solutions that is sometimes confusing to users. The users of these solutions are from strong Oracle shops. Red Hat is another solution that's gone through a a few different permutations. Let's see. Initially, they also used open source Zen code because it fit nicely with its business model of open source solutions. 2008, Red Hat acquired. What kind of name is that for a company, bro? What? Yo, let me try to pronounce this. Hold up. I'm scared to pronounce this, bro. Don't clip this. Red Hat has acquired Quamranet. You know what I'm saying? Why would they name their company that? Quamranet? Quamranet? I'm going to specifically pronounce that Q real hard because Quamranet. What kind of dude? What? Okay, acquired that company with its kernel-based virtual machine (KVM) solution. KVM was also based on the open source project of the same name. For a time, release of Red Hat Enterprise Linux supported both KVM and Zen virtualization technologies. In 2012, Red Hat stated that KVM is its future direction and Zen is no longer supported. KVM delivered as a Linux kernel module, allowing you to leverage many features of Linux. Okay, like scheduler, memory management. It grew for users of Red Hat itself, but the rise of OpenStack, an open source cloud computing project, has helped as KVM can be used as one of the hypervisor choices. Okay. Amazon Web Services has built Nitro hypervisor, offering on KVM as part of the Nitro system. Nutanix AHV, the Acropolis hypervisor, is offered by Nutanix, leading hyper-converged infrastructure company mentioned in Chapter 1. Nutanix. Let's look at these guys. Hold up. For distributed hybrid infrastructure, what we do. One platform to run apps and data anywhere. Leader in cloud software. Infrastructure management, operations of data and apps across clouds. Software-defined architecture taps to various hardware and cloud options. Okay, whatever. AHV is a Type 1 bare metal solution, also based on KVM. Nutanix HCI hardware supports VMware as a hypervisor, but including AHV at no additional cost gives customers a possible alternative solution. There are another dozen or so commercial x86 server virtualization solutions available today. Either some of these competitors will be bought out by market leaders or outright fail because of insufficient financial backing. We are in the midst of the consolidation of the market right now, while other areas of the data center, networking and storage, for example, are beginning to accelerate their virtualization journeys. So done with this one. Okay, done. This one, just gotta read. Oh, this one's gonna be short, I think. Wait. Oh, that's it? Yeah, just these 2 pages. Cloud's impact on business. I want to learn about Docker though, in addition to this virtual machines, because I don't understand Docker. I haven't really learned too much about it. I've used it, but I don't really know what the difference really is with compared to virtual machines. So I gotta like do a deep dive on that. Containers versus a whole operating VM. I don't know. privacy as a service, security as a service. I can understand security as a service as a service. What does that entail? Here I can unblur this. Fortinet. What security as a service is. It's a cloud-based method of outsourcing your cybersecurity. Outsourced security can cover data protection, voice over internet protocol security, database security, and general network security. All of these can help an organization combat network threats such as malware and botnets. Replaces establishing an elaborate on-premises security architecture. Okay, I know examples of security as a service. Tools designed to monitor, protect, and ensure your data is secure. Disaster recovery. Identity and access management, encryption. Oh, well, okay, this one makes sense. IAM. Okay, but encryption, email security. But how do you do a whole network security? How do you outsource all of that? Business model, which a service provider integrates their security services into a corporate infrastructure on a subscription basis. Okay. It's inspired by software as a service, but applied to information security. Security services include authentication, antivirus, anti-malware and spyware, intrusion detection, penetration testing, security event management, among others. How do you implement that? I mean, it makes sense compared to all the other ones, but whatever. Okay, and then privacy as a service. How is that even? Is that just like privacy regulation? Privacy compliance? Oh, I don't have my, I restarted my computer. I have to, restart. Wait a minute, how do I, let me do llama run llama. I don't know how to start this without like running it, so I have to do this. I have to start it and then exit. How do you exit? I think it's Control D. What is this? That's new. What is that? Hold on, wait. What about Docker? How do I start just Docker? Nope, that just create and run a new container image. Docker list. No, Docker. Wait, how do you? I forgot how to look at everything. Something with -p, I think. No, Docker. What was it? Docker PS. Okay, but connect to the Docker daemon. That's how I have to learn how to. I have to start the Docker daemon. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, how do I start that? Docker daemon. Docker daemon. Docker AI. Gordon Docker AI agent. What the? Docker dev environment. How do I start the Docker daemon? Docker-D, probably something like that. Maybe Docker start. Where's start? Starts containers. See, I want to be able to start the daemon from the CLI. Run, execute, PS build, pool. That's once the Docker can't connect to Docker daemon at Unix. So Docker command run. So I have to do. I should create an alias for that. Hold on, let me see. How do I do this? Wait, where am I? /user /atom. .docker. Daemon.json. Oh, .docker /run. Oops. What am I typing? What am I typing? Docker.sock. So, wait, how do I start that? Wait, no. Docker.sock. How do I open? Wait, how do I just run something? That's not how you do it. How do I not know how to do this? Wait, what? Open? What is open? Open files. Oh, that's what it is. Open docker dot socket. No application knows how to open this. So you can't start it. Bro, because I'm trying to not do like Docker desktop, bro. Wait, how do I? Wait, applications / Docker. Wait. What am I? Docker.app. Enter. Oh, open. Did that work? Yes. So see, so like I want to be able to without opening Docker desktop. And then when I open this, it automatically starts my container. Why is that? Is this not like auto start? Nope, that's not what I want to do. Files. Oh, inspect. Another application changed your desktop configuration. What? What happened? Oh, Docker can update. Well, might as well do it now. See, so I want to be able to start the daemon without, start Docker without opening up the whole desktop thing. Oops, what the? Oh. Oh, that's kind of blocked. Well, not really. Okay, installing update. Do I not have brew list? Wait. Brew search Docker. Docker build X, Docker clean, Docker completion, Docker compose, Docker eyes, Docker. Do I not have it just in here? It should be in my brew, my package manager. What is this? It's not getting picked up by my. Uh-oh. What is it? Why is that not working? Why is this? Amethyst is kind of buggy with that, honestly. No, so that doesn't matter anymore. X. Wait, how can I? Oh, look at that. I didn't know I could do that. How much zoomed in? Like that much? Names bash start that. Oh no, wait. Whatever, okay. Wait, how do I know what the original size is? Oh, I have to go up here. No. Wait. Reset font size. Okay. What was I even doing again? I wanted to open Docker and Olama. Okay. Olama needs to update, restart to update. Okay, so I got Docker. Don't need anything with that now. Let's see. This Olama should not be in here. How do I even let's do I was doing privacy as a service. Okay, I'll get to that. Olama. How do I remove that from the toolbar? They don't have like a docs. Download, sign in, models. Oh wait. Oh, hold on. Okay. Where, GitHub? Is that where all the docs are? Yeah. Docker. Olama Docker image. This is the easiest install ever. Just locally hosted AI. It's the easiest thing to install in your life. You don't have to know how to do any of it. It's like 2 lines, 2 scripts you click into your terminal, and you're done. That's it. And this is one of the best installation experiences. out there. It's for sure pretty good. And you don't even need to put it into a Docker thing with a GUI like how I have it. You can just run it from your terminal. So, Llama, and then run, and then you pick whatever model you want. So I've got, like, let's say Llama 3. You just run it, and then it's gonna start up a little bit. It takes a little bit. And then you just type whatever you want, like how do I start Docker daemon from CLI? Sudo system control start Docker. I don't know if I trust that command. Sudo service Docker start. Oh, that's how you start service. Service. That's how you start daemons, because I use the brew services. Brew start services. If you want to run the daemon in detached mode, which means background process, use the -d flag. Oh wait, that's helpful. I want to test that out actually. Okay, so then you do control, I think it's D, control D to exit, and that's that. But if you want the GUI, if you want like a web interface for it, then you can download, what is it called? I'll just type in this. Oh, it's called Web UI. It's called Web UI? Is it this? No. Open Web. It's called Open Web UI. What is this? Explore the cosmos wherever you are? You're not... This is retarded, bro. You're not charting new frontiers, bro. It's just a web UI for your AI. You're not... Kind of cool, though. Anyway, yeah, so that's easy. Super easy. Wait, so how do I... Okay, so... Docker stop open-web UI. Okay, that stopped. I just want to quit. Okay, now let's see if that works. Services. Wait, that's not even a command. Services start Docker. That's not even a thing. It's making up commands, bro. That's not even real. Brew services? Start. But I don't have it installed via brew. Can it still do it? Yeah. I don't know what any of that is. Alt F4. I don't know how to do that. Okay, I'm gonna figure that out how to do later. I should have had it installed via brew anyway. Anyway. Okay, what was it that I wanted to look at? Oh yeah. This. Honestly, I don't even remember. But I want to try to figure out what this thing is. this thing, jobs. I don't know what jobs is. What is this line? Okay, well, I don't know what that is. Oh wait, I know what I want. Well, I'm like doing like 10 things at once. Okay, wait. They had this. Llama 2, Llama 3. Latest. Did these get automatically updated? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Llama 3.3. So is it 3.3? What do I have? How do I check? Oh, Llama. Help. I want to see list. Oh, Llama list. Llama 3 latest. So that should be 3.3 then. What else they have? It's 3.3, right? It's not just 3. So it's Llama 3 underscore or colon latest. So it should be this one, right? I think you just install them through here. Oh wait, no, what was that? Llama 3.3? Networks and security. Oh dang, this is a long download. Is this, I think that's what I have already. I don't know. Four weeks ago. Oh, Llama run, no, you see, look, it's a separate command entirely. So this might be a different model. I think this might be different for some reason. Because this is just 3. So unless, so, okay, so. Mac OS, baby. You don't see the, my user interface looks like Mac. Okay, it's going actually. Okay, let's see what else they have. I need something for 5.4 is from Microsoft. Fee? It's called Fee. Fee 4. From Microsoft. QWQ. Experimental research model focused on advancing AI reasoning capabilities. Llama 3.2 Vision. Collection of instruction-tuned image. Bro, I gotta get a camera. Oh, I do have a camera. I gotta do like some projects where you can like track, visually recognize movements and things like that. I should do that. Wait, so you told me I was running this Llama 3 7 months ago? Nah, it should be the latest one. 3.3 is what I should have. But then it wouldn't let me download this because it would say I already have it. What else is there? Gemma is from Google. These are old school ones. Llama 2. Oh wait, oh no, they're not necessarily in popular newest. That's what I want to see. That didn't do anything, did it? Oh, it did. Dolphin 3. General purpose local model. Enabling coding, math, agentic, function calling, and general use cases. Of instruct tuned models designed to be the ultimate general purpose local model. Small thinker. IBM Granite. Are text-only dense LLMs trained? I want something for like summarizing notes or creating notes or something like that. I was doing like some cool stuff with like uploading documents. For science, math, and coding, Falcon 3. Pretty sure you could do like image creation models in here. Actually, Grok from Elon Musk is free. I think it's free. Is this done? No, 30%, okay. Open source data code. Reasoning model from Alibaba. Tulu 3 is for nothing. Athene excels at code completion, mathematics, and log extracts. That's a good one. Oh, this is Cohere? I think I was friends with someone who works here. State-of-the-art fact-checking model by Bespoke Labs, bro. I'm gonna shut you guys down. You ain't fact-checking nothing. Bespoke Labs. Who do these guys think they could arbitrate what truth is? Bro, they got a t-shirt? That's it, bro. This is not this one. I clicked the wrong link on like the t-shirts. What? Hallucination detector? Wait, Cloud is the best one that I've used. But they don't let this one Yeah, this one, it's free, but they don't offer it as a model. They don't open source this model or whatever it's called. I don't know what the best one is. I'm assuming it's just... It's gonna be Llama. Is Llama even good? Best general AI model. AI? LLM? GPT-4? Yeah, but I'm not using their OpenAI crap. Cost efficient, that can match the performance of GPT-4. Claude. Claude is the best one for sure. That I've used. I used this for a little bit and it was so good, but I couldn't keep using it because I didn't want to. With their closed source type of thing. I wanted it to be locally downloaded. Mistral is a popular choice for general queries and is known for its minimal censoring. That's good. Gemini can handle images and audio. Although some users find its tendency to moralize annoying. Yeah, don't tell me, robot, what's right or wrong. There was a rankings somewhere. Is it this thing? Wait, this is law school rankings. What? LLM? Oh, that's for... LLM. I had a site saved somewhere. AI rankings. I forgot where it was from. Is it? Someone literally created it. What is even this? I don't know what that is. Is it this thing? Was this the site? I don't think this was it, but it's showing me what I want to see. O1 preview. Oh, this is the one they recently released. The preview. GPT-4o came out here. O1 is preview. The model. Here. Gemini 2. Where's Llama? Llama 3.1. 68. O1 preview 86. Wait, Llama 3.1 is kind of crap. Oh, Llama 3.3 is here though. 74. Claude is 8. Yeah, Claude was pretty good. Gemini 1.5 Pro, Gemini 2.0 Flash. Expired. O1 Mini. I can't get any of those? Where's Fee? Is Fee even on here? Llama 3. Yeah, you see the... Okay, so that's the best one of the free ones that I can get. And then Gemini... Gemma. Oh, they have Gemini and Gemma? What the... You couldn't have picked a completely, like, similar sounding name? Like, you couldn't have picked something different? So people don't get confused? Okay, Mistral. Mistral's old. Wait, where's the... Oh, quality index. Okay, here. 74 compared to 3.3, 70... Oh, it's like the same. Oh, what is this? Oh, expired? Gemma 2 is trash. Oh, the 9 million? 20... Which ones do I have? Size 5.4... No, wait. Doesn't even tell me? Oh, this is almost done. Where's this one? Fee 3, Fee 4. Where's Fee 4? Microsoft. Oh, Cohere. Garbage. Grok. Oh, that's the one. Grok. Grok is not bad. I think. Actually, I have no idea if it's good. 80. DeepSeek. Mistral. Terrible. Okay, so 3.3, 3.1. So llamas actually. Wait, this needs to be this one. Wait. Yeah, ranked this way. Okay. Yeah, Claude. That's why Claude was so good. Yeah, Claude was good. DeepSeek. I thought I saw that. Wait, Mistral. Yeah, this one's trash. Maybe not. Anyway. 3.3. Okay, that'll be the next best one. Okay, go back to reading what this was. Privacy as a service designed to manage data privacy needs. Yeah, it's like for compliance stuff. Data guard for GDPR things. Adobe has privacy service? Consumer rights requests such as access delete or opt-out requests. Integrates with CRM systems. Okay, I see. Boom, downloaded. Yeah, so it is different than 3. What's so good about it? Let's test it out. I don't know what to say. I'm not even gonna read this. I just want a new one. Hold up. How do I start new chat? How to start a Docker daemon from the CLI. There's no way. Hold on. On Mac OS. Bro, this is for sure not right. Docker D? Docker dash D. That's not even a command. Docker dash D? Yeah, it's not even a thing. It's not even a thing. I don't even know what this is telling me. This makes more sense. Okay, whatever. What? 10:38 already? Yo. Did I finish reading this? No, I didn't. I was here. Okay, whatever. Finish that one. Questions. Company leases physical servers from a third-party provider, manages its own software and applications. Which type of cloud computing solution is being utilized? Leases physical servers and manages its own software. That's infrastructure as a service. Company subscribes to a cloud-based email service where the email application is hosted and managed by the provider. That's a software as a service. Next. Oh, there's only 2 more sections? I can do them tomorrow. I bet. Let's see what Anthony was on about. Wait, I probably gotta upgrade some or update things. Wait, hold on, actually. Olama list. I have to Olama. How do I delete? Pool, push, remove a model. There we go. Okay. Olama, remove. I'm deleting the uncensored llama too because that one, when I tried it out, it was uncensored at first and then it became censored. So that was trash. Yeah, I'm not going to show what I was trying to say. So remove, because that's 3. Oh, Llama 3.3 is 42 gigs? Is that just what I downloaded? Hold on, let me delete this. Llama 2 uncensored. What is this? Oh, delete. Okay. That fast? And then llama remove llama re. Or I can do. Yeah, I think. Wait, what the heck? How do I. What's the disk command? Disk. How is it? Whatever, I'm just gonna use this one. Wait, I forgot what it was. Oh, this works now. Hold on, wait, how did I do that? Disk parted. Parted? I don't know. Oh wait, I have. Let's test out this guy. Oh, DF, that's what it was. Man DF. Display, yeah, disk free space. Dash A shows all mount points. Dash H use human readable output. Back. DF dash H, that's what I wanted. What is even? Oh, that's virtual machines probably. Oh wait, it's these things. Okay, I see here. ISC preboot. Okay, that doesn't help at all. Let me just let's do this though. Oops. Okay. This I can quit. Oops. Wait, she got fired for this? She got fired for that, bro? That's crazy. Did she work at like a corporate job? Whatever, I'm gonna follow her because of that, because that was based. Why did I come on here again? Oh, yeah. This. Like that. Wait a minute. Hello? Oh wait, yeah, I do it. Hold on, wait. How do I do this? I think so. Yeah, because I downloaded it last time. Remember? When I was gonna hop on with you and whoever did, someone else, Danny? How? Okay. Hold on, I gotta end the stream. You in the stream? Who else? Danny? I don't know who else is in the stream. Hold on, wait, maybe I can check. No, it doesn't show, it just shows me. Hold on, what is it? You're not signed yet, sign in. Update. I can't because I can only stream my computer because I can't record the PlayStation. Well, I can, I guess, if I stream from the PlayStation 5, but okay, no, I'm ending the stream because I can't, because it's just over. Okay, I am updating right now, updating software.